Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about increasing or decreasing font size in the Notes on iPhone, right? So you use the Notes app the regular way and everything, and you want to make sure you adjust the font size. Well, there is a way to adjust it across the board for every single thing on your iPhone. So what you can do in this case is to open up the settings in here and come back to the display and brightness, and in here we should be able to find the text size, which is right here, and you can raise it and lower it. Keep in mind that when you do this, it essentially just adjusts every single text, like the settings, messages, everything will be bumped up. So perhaps you do want that, perhaps not, up to you to decide, but this will obviously include the notes text as well. But personally, I don't think it's the best solution. I would just stick with the text formatting, right? So when you just start typing in the text, what you can do is to, have the regular text, but you might as well just click on the AA button right here, and you can choose from the different styles. So you can, for example, make it a title, make it a bigger title, heading, subheading, the body, listed, mono-styled. So you can do that, and you can also just change, the text and, align it differently and whatever. So plenty of stuff which you can customize, perhaps in case you want to make the text stand out a bit more. It's even a little bit larger with the bold text enabled, but as I say, you can adjust it with the text formatting. If you even want to go beyond that, well, text can be formatted in a much better way using some text file management, something like the Pages from Apple, which I don't think I have installed. So let me just look it up right now. So the Pages right here is like like a Word, like a Microsoft Word, but from Apple. And essentially this is the perfect for creating text and stuff like that. So here you can adjust the text size as much as you want, but it's a bit more professional. It's not just a note-taking app. So it's up to you to decide what you want to go with, but I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.